4/19/2020, the Dow Jones. It's a daily chart. It's our daily platform that we use and build. But let me just tell everybody one thing. I apologize. I was gone. The video editing software could not find a audio driver for somehow. And I'm not a tech guy, so I ended up doing a system restore last night, and boom, it found the driver. So here we are with the Dow Jones. We've had an extraordinary rally, about 31% off of the bottom. We called the bottom on March 23rd when we did the capitulation. We started with a gap. We never came back. We kept on going. We had big moves intraday, something that the traders can't keep up with, but we're very well seasoned at it. We've been through this stuff, and we've had a great move. And then we have a gap up on Friday with a potential cure with Gilead Sciences, GILD, bam, 700-point move, bam. Big problem is they've been buying ETFs, they've been buying stocks, yeah, Treasury Department, yeah, you're fed. But listen, the Novocaine will wear off. We're going into a major earnings season. There's one thing I know from experience. In bear market moves that have set up, with $7 trillion coming in, you don't fight the Fed, but it will wear off. And people are going to be getting more money by sitting at home than what they were originally, in a lot of cases, if they were working. So that consumer spending and coming back in with the virus and doing all of that, it doesn't matter. Let's take the virus out of it. We're coming right up here. This is going to be the primary focus on the Dow. And we would have to go back and take a look together. I'm so happy to be here to bring this to you. And we do have the best options. We're market makers in the option pit. This is a bear market. Listen, you can make lots of money with this. And you can. We've been around 35 years. This is the time when you wanted to be buying that move. We would have rolled you through it. It's all right there on YouTube. But the problem is major earnings season catalyst back on 3/10, March 10th. That high was 25,000. There it is right there. But right now, we're going to deal with what we have to deal with, and this is 24,604. That was the high, and that date was on 3/11/2020. And we're coming right here, right now. That's going to be the biggest resistance level now for the Dow. As far as the way that chart, technical analysis, the way that it's turned 31% off of the bottom, and we called that, that's when no one wanted to buy. That was at its worst. But that is over. Now we move forward fundamentally. Now we move forward with risk management. Now we move forward in the option pit. Now we move forward with the option pricing and retail investor traders that need to get on board now, today. Let's get together. We're here together. You're watching the video and moving forward. The world has changed. And it has. You'll have reckless people that go out. You got people protesting. You got all of this. Hey, recovery is great. But there are protocols and safety. And, you have to look at what the overall real picture is fundamentally. Cost-cutting earnings season. We've had a big rally going into this earnings season, and it's going to be really bad. And it's not going to be good. And we all know that. That is a forgiven. But let me tell you something. They still are going to go back down. You know why? Because forward-looking, no matter what, look, stimuluses and actual PEs and a whole bunch of other stuff have to be priced in. We haven't even got to that phase of where the real market prices are going to be yet. We're going to have to move through this earnings season and through the summer, and then the biggest move, if we do get things set up right, then of course you would have a big rally in the fall. But we're in a bear market, and we are. And these are bear market rallies off of the bottom, and they pay lots of money. And we brought you step by step all the way we have. And you're watching the video You've watched other ones. Maybe you don't quite understand them all the way. That's okay. Join our program now. Get paid. This is the time to get in. This is the time to take advantage of those options. And we are market makers in the option pit. Let it be known. Wall of resistance. Major rally off of the bear market bottom. Stimulus is all over the place. What happens when the Novocaine comes down? Future looking growth. Oh, yeah. But that's all that fundamental stuff. What do we care about? Making that next trade, making that next big profit. That's why you're here. And we're going to do that for you. Get in that live trading room. Watch us with those entries, exits. Do it today. Do it here. Do it now. Major wall of resistance coming up. Earnings season. This is where we're at on that daily chart. We will not be wrong. We have traded the upside. We have traded intraday on the pullbacks. We make markets in directional movement. We got short at tops. We bought the gaps to go higher. We did it all. We're right here. We did it all. We're right here going into earnings season. You better pay attention. Stay tuned now that I can broadcast to you. I'm back. And I'm nationwide. Dow Jones. Hey, protect your families. Love them. Get along with them right now. It's not easy, and I know it. Being cooped up in some cases, like in a chicken coop. But let's be grateful about one thing. We got each other. We have life. And guess what? If you want to be in the markets and you're looking for a good friend, well, that's why I'm here.